Now, cleaning carpets and upholstery with the right tools is gonna make your job much more enjoyable and much more efficient. Adams Polishes offers carpet extractors, okay? We have one that is a heated carpet extractor, and we have this one that is a non-heated carpet extractor. Now, the non-heated carpet extractor, you're gonna get the benefits of suction, so you're gonna be able to pull nastiness out of upholstered seats, carpets, things like that, but it also has a piece to it where you can spray a solution, like our extractor shampoo, onto the surface to really break down the dirt and grime and pull the nastiness out. Now, obviously, the main difference between the two extractor units is the heating element. This non-heated carpet extractor is gonna be a little bit smaller, a little bit more easy to store away in your garage, especially if you have a little bit of limited space. The non-heated carpet extractor comes in at a lower price point. So if you're looking to get into utilizing an extractor, but you don't wanna break the bank, the non-heated carpet extractor is going to be the unit for you. Now, if you're looking to take your carpet and upholstery cleaning to the next level, the Adams Polishes non-heated carpet extractor is going to be a great entry-level, very achievable unit for you.